This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on Vanish mode on Instagram. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Instagram Vanish mode allows users to send each other disappearing messages, photos, videos, or other content in Instagram chats, aka DMs. Text and media shared in the Vanish mode automatically disappear when someone leaves the chat or turn off the Vanish mode. In order to use Vanish mode, a user must update to Messenger feature on Instagram. So how to do it if you want to turn on the Vanish mode on your Instagram? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can go to the DM section, the up right corner here. You can choose on the contact or account that you want to use the Vanish mode with. For example, you choose this one. You can turn on the Vanish mode by tap and hold on your screen and swipe up like this. And you can see there is no swipe up to turn on Vanish mode. So now you've turned on your Vanish mode on your Instagram. So simple, right? So that is how to turn on Vanish mode on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.